PowerPoint is a presentation program that allows you to create dynamic slide presentations. These presentations can include animation, images, videos, and much more. In this lesson, you will learn your way around the PowerPoint environment, including the ribbon, Quick Access Toolbar, and Backstage view. So, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to open PowerPoint in your computer. You just go to Start and then search for PowerPoint. And when you see this icon, click it. Whenever you start the PowerPoint for the first time, you will see the PowerPoint start screen look like this. And from here, you can access recently edited presentation, or you can choose a template to start your guideline PowerPoint, or you can start from scratch by clicking the blank presentation. Just click it. Now, this is the PowerPoint interface you can see from here. And let's get started with the ribbon. Where is the ribbon? Okay, this is the ribbon. You can see from here. That's called ribbon. On the ribbon, you can see many tabs like File, Home, Insert, Design, and so on. And each tab contains different comments like this. On the Home tab, you will see the groups of comments like in the clipboard. You see paste comment, copy, cut, and decrease font size or increase font size. And inside the Insert tab, you will see groups of comments. Those are different from the Home tab. Like in the table group, like the images group, you have different comments like this. And you can go to Design tab and change the theme like this. If you want the theme, just click it. You can click the content placeholder to start your topic. Example, welcome to PowerPoint. Alright. Or you can go to Slideshow tab to start your presentation like this. And if you think that the ribbon takes much space for your presentation, you can hide it. To hide it, you just look at and select the ribbon display option at the top right of your PowerPoint and click this and choose the option you want. If you choose auto hide, the whole ribbon will be hidden. Or you can show it back, just click that again, the ribbon display option icon, and then choose two different options. Now, look at the top left of your ribbon. You will see the Quick Access Toolbar right here. This area we call Quick Access Toolbar. By default, the Quick Access Toolbar will include 4 commands on it, like Save, Undo, Redo, and Start your presentation. So, you can add more commands to the Quick Access Toolbar by clicking this icon and then choose example. This is the list of the commands you can choose from. Example, I choose Quick Print because I want to use it most every day, every time. The Quick Access Toolbar allows you to access comments all the time, no matter which tab is selected. Example, if you want to use the Pictures comment, you have to click the Insert tab, right? And click Pictures comment. But if you click the Transitions tab, you will not be able to access the Pictures comment. But what happened if I add this comment to the Quick Access Toolbar? When I add it to the Quick Access Toolbar, I can use it all the time no matter which tab I am in. Alright, to do this, you just go to this again, click the Quick Access Toolbar drop down arrow right here and find your comment. Look, I don't see that comment. I want to add the pictures comment to the Quick Access Toolbar, but I cannot find it from here. If you cannot find, you just go to More Commands, click it, and right here you can choose. I know that it is located in the Insert tab, so you just find Insert tab, this one, and find the pictures comment, like pictures, insert picture. Okay, here it is. When you see that comment that you want to add the Quick Access Toolbar, you just select it and then click Add. Now you will see these are comments will locate on the Quick Access Toolbar. When you're done, click OK. And now you can see the pictures comment available from here. Even you are in the Review tab, you still be able to use this comment all the times. And look at this. This is the most useful and favorite feature we call Tell Me bar. And this works just like a regular search bar. You can search useful tools or comment you want to find from here. Example, I want to add pictures. I just type pictures, and then a list of options will appear right here, and you can click that option. Alright, that's it. The most useful feature in Microsoft PowerPoint, but this feature just available since the version of 2016 and up. But if you are using PowerPoint 2013 or 2010, you may not see this. Alright, okay, to zoom in or zoom out your presentation, you can click the slider to the right to zoom in and drag the slider to the left to zoom out. And you can click these buttons like the plus sign to zoom out, zoom in, and click the minus to zoom out, like this. And on the left of the zoom in, zoom out, you will see a few options from here. This option is called View option in PowerPoint, and let's see this. Okay, I have this. Now you can choose each option, like this one. The first one is called normal. It will look like this. But if you choose the second one, it's called slide sorter. This one will look like this. You can see how many slides you have in your presentation. And this one, reading view, look like this. You can view your presentation. You can click to see the next presentation slide. And this one is called slideshow. This is how your presentation look like. Alright, last but not least, I like to give you a quick tour of the Backstage view. All you need to do, just click the File tab from here. Here, you can access all kinds of information related to your current presentation. Look like this. All you have to do is to click an item in the left pane, and then it will open on the right. This makes it easy to find what you're looking for and review your option all in one place. These are the basics you need to know before you can get started with your presentation in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions with this, just let me know in the comment below. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to get more updated video. Thank you. Bye bye.